So in the past, I have tried India Batson's wavy curly hair routine. It did not turn out so good, but she recently posted an updated routine, so of course I'm gonna try it. Just like in the other video that I filmed, I do not have the same products that she has, so just going off her description of those products and how they looked, I kind of just tried to choose the most similar that I have. We're just working with what we've got. I'm gonna start off by saying that it's really cold here and I'm getting over a flu, so I wanted to wear something warm, but my choice was definitely not the best for leaning upside down and washing my hair. So you're gonna have to forgive this portion of the video where I maybe look a little bit ridiculous. To shampoo, I am taking the As I Am Dry and Itchy shampoo. I'm getting to the point where I'm just taking the lid off this to get it out the bottle, because I don't know what possessed them to make the bottle so hard where you can't even squeeze the product out. So yeah, that's one of my complaints about this product that I have forgotten to mention until now. I scrubbed my scalp thoroughly with this shampoo and then I rinsed it out, and then I was surprised that India then follows up with a like 2-in-1 conditioner co-wash. So I'm choosing this one from Mixed Chicks because it did say that it is also conditioning, so I thought this seemed like the most similar to what she used. So I applied a kind of generous amount, started rubbing it into my scalp and worked it through the ends, and I decided to detangle the ends. Honestly, I was very surprised how well this product worked as a conditioner. Very curious what my scalp is going to be like though. Is it going to be too conditioned? Is it going to get greasy quick? I don't know. It did surprise me that she used a co-wash because I feel like this is going to add conditioner kind of to your scalp area, and her aim is always volume, but very interested how this will work as an actual conditioner. Maybe with it being kind of cleansing slash conditioning, it's maybe not gonna weigh your hair down so much and gonna help add volume to the ends. Not sure. Then I rinsed this out thoroughly, and India used, I searched it up, I believe it's like a frizz-free treatment mask thing. I do not have anything similar, I don't think, and I noticed that this product that she used, it kind of seemed to be more on the lightweight side. Most of the masks that I own right now are very thick, so I'm taking this one from Floracurl, which is probably the runniest mask that I own currently. I'm taking a very, very small amount because my hair was honestly so well conditioned from the co-wash that I really didn't want to add much of this, and I really just focused it right on the ends, quickly brushed it through and almost immediately rinsed it out. I didn't want to leave this in for too long. Then I flipped upright and India did her wash routine in the shower, unlike me where I was upside down. So I did detangle all of my hair once I was upright to get all of the knots out and to kind of change the direction of my hair. Once that was thoroughly detangled, I'm taking the boucleme volumizing foam. I did want to use the Curly Secret one, but I've mentioned this frequently lately. I think my products are out of date, and if I'm going to be adding foam right near my scalp roots, really don't want to be putting out of date products there. So I'm taking 3 pumps of this and I just started scrunching it into the roots. This is going to add volume and hopefully kind of unstick the roots from my scalp a little bit. I did realize at this point that maybe 3 pumps of this specific foam was a bit too much. I could have done just 1, maybe 2. You can see that it just wasn't scrunching in at all. I had a lot of excess just sitting on top, so I did grab my towel to scrunch my roots to remove the excess product. It looked a bit better at this point. Then I'm taking the aloe air dry cream and I took 3 pumps of this because, well, my hair doesn't need a lot, but I saw India use a giant amount, so that kind of influenced me a little bit to use more than I usually would. That may be a mistake, but we'll see. She does not like rub this into her hair or glaze or do any of that sort of stuff. She just directly scrunches it in. So that's what I did with my hair to each side. side. I'm kind of expecting today like much more natural results, lots of like different sized clumps. Volume, I'm not sure. I am worried that maybe it'll look a bit messy, or especially the root area, because it's stuck to my scalp maybe a bit too much. My hair can be quite stubborn, so it may look a bit flat at the roots and kind of very stuck down, but we'll see. She did say that she takes a handful of water at this point and scrunches it into her hair to get the squishy noise back and to kind of help the cream distribute throughout her hair. But I didn't need to do this because my hair was already soaking wet at this point, so I did not need more water in my hair. So I went straight to gel. I'm taking the ouidad Stronghold gel. This is like very runny, very lightweight. She said that she uses a very seaweed-like kind of tacky gel, and when you put your hands together with this, you could see that it is a similar amount of tackiness, I think, to what she used. So I'm taking a little bit of that in my hands and scrunching it in, and then I took some more for the other side, and I also did a little bit upside down. Then I took my towel and scrunched my hair. At this point, I feel like my hair was looking voluminous, and then I'm pretty sure India did not put her hair up in a towel, but I decided to because, like I said, very cold here today. My hair is soaking wet, so I'm gonna have to leave it up in the towel for about 10 minutes before I go into diffusing. So I just finished diffusing. With how it's looking right now, I'm not too convinced just yet. I'm gonna take a little bit of this oil from Wavy and scrunch out the kind of light cast that I have, and then I'm gonna fluff up my roots. And this is just like what I normally do anyway. And these are the finished results. So I do think that my hair maybe looks a little bit more voluminous than usual. This definitely did turn out better than the other routine from India that I tried. I'm actually really liking these results. My hair feels a bit weird, like a little bit producty. I took 3 pumps of this because, well, my hair doesn't need a lot, but I saw India use a giant amount, so that kind of influenced me a little bit to use more than I usually would. That may be a mistake, but we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you think. I will check back in tomorrow to show how it's looking. I don't have high expectations for how well this is gonna last, but we'll see because the gel is a really strong hold. Here's my hair on day 2. Honestly, the definition did not last as well as I thought it would. We do have a lot of volume though, but I think it maybe looks quite messy. I don't know if I can get away with wearing this in public today. I'm not sure how bad it looks from the back. I also really enjoyed the quickness of this routine. This routine was super fast to do, very effortless, and honestly the results are really nice. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!